So the next thing we'll be looking at is how to save our documents once we are done with whatever. In fact, we don't even need to wait till we are done. Once we start working on a document, the first approach should be to save the document so that you can always just be saving and not to lose your file. So the easiest way is to just press your Control S on keyboard, your Control S, and it will bring this pop this up, save this file, click on more option, and then it will bring you here, and then click on your browse, and then you can save this over here. So if you don't want to go through that route, another route you can actually go through is come under here, come under your file. That's as we have done before. Come under your file, and then it will bring this. Then click on your save. Click on your save. So and this I just pressed saved as. So just click on your save as. Yeah. So browse your file, and then yes, you can look for any document. So let's look for something Center Analytics. Analytics. So let's say Excel. I want to create a folder Excel basic. So let's say I just want to say basic. That's what I want to save it with. Just click on save, and then by default you see that the name over here is changing to basic. And then whatever you are saving it with, can you see file name basic, location Excel basic? Can you see that? So that's that. That's simply the best way to actually save your files. Thank you.